everyone. In this video, we will discuss about our next chapter of mathematics, that is chapter number 11, ratio. In general, we compare the things, numbers and so on. For example, let us consider x and y are the two numbers. So in general, we can tell x is greater than y, or x is less than y, or x is equals to y. Such a way we are comparing the two numbers. In daily life, we compare the number, we compare the things. So we are generally using the method of subtraction and method of division to compare them. In general, in our day-to-day life, to compare two things or two numbers, we use division method for comparison or the subtraction method for comparison. So let's see some example based on it. Let's consider two persons, Varun and Arun, with a different weight. Varun weight is 38 kg and Arun weight is 35 kg. So by comparing them, if we subtract their weights, we will get 3 kg. So we can tell Varun is 3 kg heavier than Arun. This method is known as comparison by subtraction method. Now let's see comparison by division method. For example, father age is 35 years and the son's age is 7 years. So when we will divide father age upon the son age, then we will get the answer 35 upon 7 equals to 5. So we will get here 5 as the answer. So in the division method, we come to know the one quantity is of how many times of the other quantity. So father's age is 5 times that of son's age. These are two common ways of comparison. The method of comparing two quantity by dividing one quantity by other is called as ratio. The ratio between two quantities is denoted by the symbol colon. And for example, x and y are the two quantity or the two numbers. So ratio between them is denoted by x colon y, and it is read as x is to y. Same way, p and q are the two quantity. The ratio between them is denoted by p is to q. Ratio is the comparison between the two quantities of the same kind or of the same unit. For example, suppose one quantity is length and other quantity is mass. Then the ratio between length and mass is a meaningless. So it is not considered as a proper ratio. So let's see some examples of the ratio now. For example, one quantity shows the length and the second quantity also shows the length, then that ratio is considered as a meaningful ratio. So the rules are, the ratio should contain both the quantities of the same kind or of the same unit. Next, both the quantity should contain or should represent the same unit. First quantity is representing the meter unit, then second should also represent the same unit, that is meter. If the units of the both quantities are different, we need to convert them into the same kind of unit. In this given ratio, 1 is to 4. 1 is to 4 is the ratio of two numbers 1 and 4. The first quantity 1 is known as an antecedent and the second quantity 4 is known as a consequent, and they are separated with the symbol colon. The terms of the ratio are written in a definite order. For example, the ratio of 5 kg and 8 kg. It is represented here 5 kg upon 8 kg. We will get the ratio 5 upon upon 8 equals to 5:8. The second example is ratio of 8 kg and 5 kg. 8 kg upon 5 kg equals to 8 upon 5 and is equals to 8:5. Note that 5:8 and 8:5 are not the equal ratio. So the rule is the terms of the ratio has definite order. If we change their order, so that ratio will also change. So 5:8 and 8:5 are not equals to each other. Now let's solve some examples from exercise 11th A. The example is convert the given ratio into its simplest form. The given ratio is 4:6. So we need to convert it into the simplest form. So whenever we are converting, we need to simplify or we need to divide them numerator as well as denominator with the same number. So here we select 2. 2 2s are 4. Here it will come 2 3s are 6. So our answer is 2 upon 3. So this is the simplest form of given ratio. Next example. 48:54. We written them in the upon form 48 upon 54. Now let's try to divide them by same number. Why we are dividing them by same number? Because we want to convert it into the simplest form. So here we selected 6. So 6 8s are 48 and 6 9s are 54. So our answer is 8 upon 9. So 8 upon 9 is the simplest form of this ratio. Next example is 5 kg is to 800 gram. First thing, we know very well that both the quantity in the given ratio should be in the same unit. So here we observe that one quantity is in the kilogram and other is in the gram. So first we need to convert them into the same unit. This is the rules related to the ratio. So we written them 5 kg upon 800 gram. Now this kg we will convert into the gram because we know 1 kilogram equals to 1000 gram. So 5 kg equals to 5000 gram. Now 5000 gram upon 800 gram. In this we need to simplify and we want our final answer now. So units will get cancelled. Now 0 and 0, 2 0 will get cancelled. This is the way of simplification. So at last 50 upon 8 is remain. So again we can simplify it. 50 upon 8, we will divide them by 2. So here we will get 2 into 25. Here we will get 2 4s are 8. So 25 into 2 equals to 50. 4 into 2 equals to 8. So our answer will come 25 upon 4. The simplest form of given ratio is 25 upon 4. Note that the ratio is a pure quantity. So it will not contain any unit along with it. So 25 upon 4 is the final answer. To simplify, 30 centimeter upon 2 meter. As we observe, the units are different. So first we will make them same. So 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So 2 meter equals to 200 centimeter. So let's replace it with the centimeter. Now we will cancel the same quantity. 0 we have cancelled here. So answer is 3 upon 20. This is the simplest form for the given ratio. We can convert any unit to the other. It means we can convert this centimeter to meter or meter to centimeter. It depends on us. So here I have converted convert meter to centimeter. The next example is 1 upon 2 is to 2 1 upon 2. In this example, both the quantity are given in the mixed fraction form. So first we will convert them into the simplest form. So here 2 into 1, 2 plus 1. So 3 upon 2. And in the second quantity 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5 upon 2. Now this we got here 3 upon 2 is to 5 upon 2. It is nothing but the first quantity upon second quantity. So here, while performing the division, we need to use here multiplication sign, and the second fraction reciprocal we will write. So 3 upon 2 into 2 upon 5 we written. Now this 2 will get cancelled. At last 3 upon 5 is remain. It is nothing but the 3 is to 5. So this is the simplest form for the given example. Next example is x square is to 4x. So x square upon 4x. X square is nothing but the x into x. So x into x upon 4 into x. Here x is same or common in both the terms. So x got cancelled. So at last x upon 4 is remain. So it is nothing but the x is to 4. The next example is 2.5 is to 5. 2.5 upon 5. Now to simplify them, we need to divide by 5 to the 2.5. So here first we remove this decimal point by multiplying 10. After the decimal, one place is there, so we multiply by 10. Now, after multiplying, we got 25 upon 50. This we can simplify. 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50. So, we will get here answer 1 upon 2. It is nothing but the 1 is to 2. The next example is 2 upon 3 is to 1 upon 2 is to 4 upon 5. There are 3 quantities and we want to convert it into simplest form. So first of all, we want to find here LCM of denominators of given quantities. So the LCM of 3, 2 and 5 is 30. We learned that how to find the LCM. So we got the LCM 30. Now by that LCM we will multiply to each quantity. So here I written 2 upon 3 into 30 is to 1 upon 2 into 30 is to 4 upon 5 into 30. Now let's simplify them. 3 ones are 3, 3 tens are 30. So here we got 2 into 10. The next quantity 2 ones are 2, 2 15s are 30. So it will remain here 1 into 15. In the third quantity 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30. There is a 4 into 6. Let's multiply them. 2 into 10 20 is to 15 is to 24. This is the simplest form for the given question. The next example is a field is of 60 meter wide and 80 meter long. Find the ratio of its width to the length. So width upon length we want to find. So width value is 60 meter and length value is 80 meter. Now while simplification, meter will get cancelled, 0 0 will get cancelled. So at last 6 upon 8 is remain. This we can again simplify. 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. So answer is 3 upon 4. This can be written as 3 is to 4. The simplest form is 3 is to 4. And the last we have to write ratio of width to its length is 3:4. The next question is the ratio of 6 gram to the 15 gram is equals to 36 centimeter to 90 centimeter. So first we want to convert each ratio into their simplest form, and then we will tell are they equal or not. So let's see. 6 gram upon 15 gram. The units are same, so they will get cancelled. So here 6 upon 15 is remain. So further it will simplify by dividing them by 3. So 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. So we got here answer 2 upon 5. Similarly for second ratio, 36 centimeter upon 90 centimeter. So centimeter will get cancelled. 36 upon 90 is remain. So to simplify it, we divide by 18. 18 2s are 36, 18 5s are 90. So 2 upon 5 is the simplest form for 36 upon 90. Now we will compare them. Here 2 upon 5. In the second ratio, it is also 2 upon 5. We can tell both the ratios are equal to each other.